Can you tip some in there, get a handful, throw it in there. That's it, a bit more. A bit more. You hold that for Daddy. Alright. So what are we doing? Are we putting some sawdust into the new coop? So what are we doing, Sarah?
Taking the fowl fortress up the top of the garden.
Yeah.
And we're going to put the hens in there.
Excellent.
The
It's
Australorps.
maiden voyage.
It's maiden voyage, yes.
How old are the chicks now?
That's a good point. 8 weeks?
About 8 weeks old, so they're well big enough to be going out now.
They definitely are. They'll love it in there.
So what we'll do tonight is we will put them into here.
Inside.
And we'll close it up and we'll leave them in there for tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll let them out and they can have a run around on the grass.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, they'll love that.
And then tomorrow evening we'll move this on 3 metres.
Yep.
Alright? So far so good.
Yep.
Bumblebee.
You're going to come and have a look where we're putting this? I think if we start it off here,
Yeah.
and then work behind us, so work back that way,
Yeah.
and then we'll go up that way, and then back round, and then round like that on that section,
Yeah.
and see how that goes.
Sounds good. Fertilise all the trees.
Well, effectively it will be to some extent. And I'm going to bring the feed bin and put it here, one of the metal ones.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay?
Mm.
Right then, let's do that then. I don't think that looks too bad.
Good.
I was tempted to paint it though. I think it would look quite nice
Yeah.
painted.
Yeah. Problem is you put the metal on now. But
Yeah, it's fine for what it is. It'll weather anyway. But it's something we can think about. What I will do is I'll have a look in the barn and see if we've got any feather edge for that. Homegrown cherries, eh?
Nice. Got some cherry trees over there. Alexander, what do you think? Have you eaten yours?
There's a fair amount on there, but they're not ripe, are there? Not many of them.
Yeah, they're getting there. You don't want them all to be ripe at the same time. Right. They're not morello cherries, so they're not really sweet, but
They're not doing bad. And that apple tree's, that's not got masses on it really, but
no.
they're all quite small. Although it has been very dry, so I'm not surprised.
It's these pears I'm intrigued about, because these look like they're going to be those lovely rosy pears. And if you look up there, there's quite a few that...
They're not pears.
No, I think they are. If you look at this one here,
Oh yeah, possibly.
they do look, but they're very different to these.
Okay.
Alexander, is it going to rain or is it raining?
No.
No, can't you feel it?
Anyway, shall we move the chicks?
Yeah.
Right then, chicks. So who have we got here? We've got the Australorps, and they're about 8 weeks old, and they are going to go into their coop today.
Yeah.
About time. And then these little ones, which we've got a Silky and 2 Pekins, they're going in here. So right, let's put them in.
I can. That's it.
Hello, ladies. Sitting pretty. Not bad.
No, it's good.
By tomorrow they should have settled in.
Yep. And they can have a little jaunt.
So, the fowl fortress in all its glory.
Good.
That worked quite well. I'm quite
Does the
pleased with
job.
it. The wheels held up, the axles held up.
Should we put the food?
Yeah, I'm just going to, we'll put the wire in, shall we?
Okay, you've
Put
got
that
some
on.
wire, have
Yeah.
you? So his middle name should have been Houdini.
Houdini.
All the places you've tried to secure them in, he's helping them out.
I think it should have been Tinky Winky.
Alexander, are you a Tinky Winky? Are they all secure? It doesn't work well. The wheel?
It won't spin while it's got all the weight of it on it.
No, you have to lift these up and pull it. That's the only way it moves.
It's a chicken tractor.
Chicken house on wheels.
Anyway, job's a good one. High five.
Well done.
Chickens are in.
Yep.
We will do an update tomorrow morning when we release the beasts. That's good. Pleased. Job done. So, today is the day that the Australorp chicks get released into their new coop. They're already in the main coop area, so they're in here. We've opened the door up and we're just waiting for them to come down now into the run. And I say we, I mean little Didsy, who is a nuisance with the chicks, and Bodie, who just wants to dig underneath the old caravan. Where's he gone? Leave them alone now. So yes, we've got the slide door. Worked perfect. So the water and their food is already in there and ready to go. Still got a few bits to tidy up on this. Like I've got some wire to tie up and link in, like this strip that you can see running up here, that needs tying together. But other than that, it's fully functioning. I would like to paint it, but that's a big job for another day. I've got other stuff that needs doing, so this will have to do for now. Still got to put the feather edge boards on here and on the top, which I may do some of that today, but I wanted to get them out and about while the weather's nice, get them used to being out on the grass, and then we will move them, like we discussed yesterday, up and down the orchard, and they will fertilise the ground for the trees, which is brilliant. So you can see Darwin, little Didsy. Oh, we have movement. There's the first one. Darwin, leave them alone. That's the first time that they've been to the door. Darwin, get down. And Darwin, as usual, is being a nuisance. He's obsessed. He won't eat them. He's just... we used to have guinea pigs, and he used to eat the droppings from the guinea pigs. He used to follow them around and be like a Tic Tac dispenser. Just flick them on the back end with his nose, and they'd poop. And I think he sees these as not much different.